Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Mandy and I like to talk about makeup panning, and things happening in my real life. So if this is something you're interested in, like Ipsy unbaggings, then stay tuned for today's video. Alright, we are opening my first Glam Bag Plus from Ipsy for September 2022. I'm kind of excited. So, I was getting the Glam Bag, which was like 5 deluxe sample size products, which you get to choose one select product. The rest are curated to you based on your profile with Ipsy. With the Glam Bag Plus, I got to choose, or anybody gets to choose, 3 items. They're full size. And although I did see one thing was a deluxe sample, but it was a lotion, so I guess a full-size lotion could be a little bit too big. But you get to choose 3 products, mostly full-size products. And yeah, it is $28 plus handling. I think it's like around $30. So I'm really excited to get into this product, into this. I also did have an add-on this month. I ordered Satin Scrunchies. I had one and I lost it. I opened this up and I'm wearing one right now. But yeah. So I ordered these and they were like $5, I think, for a set of 5 satin scrunchies. So that was a good deal, I think. I used to see them in stores all the time, I thought. And now that I go looking for them in the stores, I can't find them anywhere. So let's get in here and grab the actual bag. Da 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 da. Is that it? Okay. So everything is in the bag. The bag is purple, a lovely lavender, kind of a cotton canvas feeling, and it has "You Got This," and that is holographic. So pretty. All right. So the first products I got from Ipsy are, hey, this is the card. Okay, you got this, and then it has an interesting glam guide in the inside. It tells about the theme this month, and then on the back is an ad for a Netflix show that I've never heard of. All right, first product we're pulling out is Let's Get in a Lather. Okay, a silky soft shampoo. Fruit panache. This was not anything I was expecting. I did look and see, because I had to choose 3 products. I knew those products I was picking, and then the 2 that Ipsy was picking for me. This is none of those. A shampoo. Okay. I hope some of the other things I picked are in here, but I did not pick a shampoo, and it wasn't something they picked for me. So I'm guessing something I picked was out. We'll see. Okay, next up we have a bottle, and this is hair oil plus CBD treatment and styling oil, and this is from Use Me Hair. Instantly absorb rich nutrients to protect and nourish the hair from within. Heat protect, fight frizz, add shine, restore elasticity, and improve hair texture. That's very simple bottle, and then it has information on the back. This one is something I chose. It is in plastic, but I wanted a hair oil because I don't have one, and it would be nice to have. All right, next up we have something else that wasn't something I chose or that Ipsy chose. This is from Honey Jarrett, and is their Clean Whip Cleanser for mild and deep cleaning. Okay, so yeah, I don't think I was expecting this either. Okay, hopefully the big ticket item that I remember getting is in here, but I picked like a hair oil, a face serum, and not a cleanser or a shampoo. Okay. what is next? Okay, the last item is from the Inky List, Selfless by Hiram, and this is a retinol and rainbow algae repair serum. This is something I chose. So I'm going to contact Ipsy because I only got 4 products. One moment. I'm going to make sure it didn't fall out while I was waiting. Okay, so my first month getting the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and I'm really disappointed. I got 2 of the items I selected. Let me pull up Ipsy and see what I was supposed to get. I know one thing I was supposed to get that I did not get was a Natasha Denona Glow Duo, Cheek Duo. And that's not in here at all. And also I was supposed to get a lip thing. That's not in here at all. Okay, one moment. Okay, so I'm looking at the website. That's why I'm a little bit washed out. I'm looking at the website. I was supposed to get a magnetic balm by from Full Ritual in Second Nature. I did not get that. I was supposed to get the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. I did not receive that. I picked the Selfless by Hiram serum. I got that. I also picked a Ciate London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Primer. I did not receive that. And I picked the hair oil. So I got 2 of the items I picked. These 2 items I did not pick, and I was not expecting. And I only got 4 products. So I'm going to be reaching out to Ipsy customer service and find out what happened, because this is totally not cool. Yeah, so hopefully they'll send me something that I was supposed to get that I didn't get. Either the lip thing or the Natasha Denona or the primer. I would be happy with anything or anything similar. I mean, a shampoo is great. I didn't really want another travel deluxe size sample. See, this is a deluxe size sample too. Like, this is not a full size shampoo. And the cleanser, I'm pretty sure this is a deluxe size sample, not a full size cleanser. I mean, if this is full size, yeah, it says not for sale, so it's definitely a deluxe sample size. So that is really disappointing that I got 2 deluxe sample sizes. And I got 2 of the products I wanted, and I'm missing a 5th product. So first, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, very disappointing. I am happy that I got the 2 items I selected, but I am unhappy that I didn't get 3 of the other items I was supposed to get. I mean, a cleanser is great. I don't need a cleanser right now. I didn't want a cleanser right now. And the shampoo, like I said, I don't need another shampoo right now. So this one's getting a thumbs down from me. Yeah, let me know. Did you get everything you were supposed to get in your Ipsy bag? Do you get Ipsy, first of all? And if you do get Ipsy, did you get everything you were supposed to get? Because I feel ripped off right now. Yeah, I'm going to reach out to customer service and see what they can do to rectify this situation. And I was super excited to get the Natasha Denona Cheek Duo because I've never had I've never had one before. And even though it's a cream cheek product, which would be my first in my collection, I was kind of excited to receive that. I also really wanted a new primer. And the lip product I could do without, but it was kind of, you know, something worth trying. So 2 of the 3 items I didn't get, I was really looking forward to getting, and the fact that I didn't get them is really disappointing. So if this has happened to you, let me know. Otherwise, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed my miserable haul from Ipsy, and leave me any comments below, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, so you can keep up to date on all the content that I am creating, makeup panning, makeup unboxings, and real life vlogs. Until my next video, I guess, take care of yourselves, and I will see you later. Bye-bye.